Clean your home efficiently with a Coredy R300 robot vacuum cleaner. 1700 PA powerful suction can pick up almost every dirt, dust, hair, pet fur, and debris for an impeccable clean home. Premium features with 4 selective cleaning modes for various messes. Upgraded motion sensors help the robot vacuum navigate under furniture and around obstacles on the floor for a more thorough cleaning job. Dual-edge side brushes pick up everything from small particles to large debris along with walls and corners. Just press Auto Clean or schedule R300 vacuum cleaner on the go with the remote control. Enjoy a spotless home every day. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Super strong suction. The R300 robot vacuum can pick up almost every dirt, dust, hair, pet fur, and debris with 1400 PA powerful suction for an impeccable clean home. Number 2. Seamlessly cleaning. 2 large climbing wheels move effortlessly over carpets and door ledges to seamlessly clean the messes. Number 3. Intelligent protection. Use upgraded anti-collision and drop sensing technology for enhanced navigation. Protect the robot from scratches and avoid falling. Number 4. Automatic recharge. The robot automatically returns to the charging base to recharge when in low power, ensuring it's always charged and ready to vacuum. Number 5. Effortlessly cleaning. Easy clean with remote control. 4 optional cleaning modes and preset vacuuming time makes clean effortlessly while you do other work or not at home. Number 6. Endurance vacuuming. Powered by a 2600 mAh battery. The robot vacuum allows you to enjoy up to 110 minutes of constant cleaning from a single full charge. Number 7. Large anti-spill dust box. A large 300 ml dustbin holds more dirt per clean to reduce the frequency of emptying. Easy to use handle for easy takeout to clean up. Number 8. Double filter system. Pre-filter and high-performance filter combo effectively trap dust and reduce the amount released back into the air to achieve a spotless home. Number 9. Robot vacuum and mop. R300 robot vacuum cleaner increases vacuum power with 1400 PA of suction. 4 optional modes to meet different cleaning needs. Auto cleaning, edge cleaning, spot cleaning, low noise cleaning. Supports wet, dry mopping on hard surface floors. Provide thoroughly and impeccable clean. 400 ml water tank sold separately. Number 10. Powerful but slim. Powerful inhale motor suction vacuum combines with 27 degrees dual-edge side brushes get into every nook and cranny, effectively suck in hair, pet fur, animal dander. Ideal for homes with dog, cat, and other furry friends. 2.7 inches super slim design glides under and around beds, sofas, and other furniture for comprehensive cleaning performance. Number 11. Smart protection. Upgraded anti-collision and anti-drop intelligent sensor technology plus pressure-sensitive soft bumper. Guide the robotic vacuum cleaner navigate around obstacles and avoid falling down from stairs and edges. Number 12. 110 minutes constant runtime. Powered by a 2600 mAh high-capacity Li-ion battery. The vacuum cleaner supports up to 110 minutes of quiet but powerful suction cleaning. Auto recharge allows the automatic vacuum robot to always be ready to clean. Number 13. What you get? A R300 robot vacuum cleaner, plus a complete range of robot vacuum accessories. 4 side brushes, 1 extra high-efficiency filter, 1 remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, 1 cleaning brush, 1 charging dock, 1 adapter, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.